It is such a beautiful morning. I feel so good out here. I have not been to this park in a couple weeks actually, and I'm so happy to be out here today. Normally when I'm out here, I'm sitting, I'm relaxing, I'm cooking, I'm crocheting, I'm reading my book, but today I am walking and it really feels great. This is where I normally come and set up and do my thing, relax, chill, day camp. But today I am on the move. I am moving today. There are so many beautiful bridges in New York City. This is the Whitestone Bridge and it goes from the Bronx to Queens. And I have come to the end of the paved walking path right here. And I am not prepared to continue on this unpaved walking path alone. And so I'm gonna turn around and loop this again. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in my car. That was an amazing walk, seriously. But I need to get something to eat. The other day when I was out walking and hiking with my cousin, she told me that you have 15 minutes to feed your muscles after a workout in order to retain muscle development that you have just done after working out. So I need to figure out something to eat and continue on with my day. But that was great. That was a great walk.